Appropriate preposition, class 26. Press for, চাপ দেওয়া, the workers pressed for better wages. Prey on, পীড়িত করা, his illness preyed on my mind. Proceed against, মামলা করা, বিকাশ was compelled to proceed against his neighbor. Proceed with, চালাইয়া যাওয়া, the court processed with case. The court proceeded with case. Provide for, কারোর জন্য সঞ্চয় করা, everybody should provide for future. Provide against, দুর্দিনের জন্য সঞ্চয় করা, we have to provide against rainy days. Provide with, সরবরাহ করা, the students were provided with the necessary books. Protest against, প্রতিবাদ করা, I protested against his wrong statement. Profit by, উপকার পাওয়া, some groups profit by the doctrine of religion. Point at, নির্দেশ করা, the guide pointed at the relics of the city. Point to, স্পষ্ট করিয়া দেখানো, I pointed the matter to him. Reason with, about, তর্ক করা, a religious soul dare not reason with himself about emotional tangles of religion. Reckon upon, নির্ভর করা, while believing something we mainly reckon upon emotion rather than on reason. Refrain from, বিরত থাকা, the men refrained from drinking. Rely on, নির্ভর করা, today we rely on the corporation of others. Repentant of, অনুতাপ করা, the sinner became repentant of heresy. Recover from, আরোগ্য লাভ করা, the patient recovered from illness. Repose on, শয়ন করা, the patient reposed on a bed. Relief from, মুক্ত করা, the debtor was relieved from all obligations. Thank you for watching.